Greetings from Radius Theme. Today I will review 5 best roofing company WordPress theme. Number 1, Rufix, Roofing Services WordPress Theme. Rufix is a colorful construction-based roofing theme with useful WordPress feature. Comes with multiple stunning layouts for homepage and inner page, which eases our deployment process for further customization. Thanks to Elementor, we can build the pages in aesthetic way. Offers great features like multilingual support, one-click demo import, color options and fonts and many more. Rufix is completely responsive, supports multiple devices. Make your construction business more professional using the built-in inner pages. Don't worry, you'll get dedicated support from Rufix if you face any problem. Now, let's see the demo. Many generous sections. Individual service section. Project sections. To highlight important aspects. Add many more sections interactively. Team sections. And testimonials to show your business strength. A great contact form is added with the theme. Generate traffic with blog sections. Rufix is completely SEO friendly and it loads smoothly without interrupting user experience. Undoubtedly, it is the best roofing theme. Now let's check number 2. Roof, WP Construction, Roofing Business. Roof is a comprehensive theme for construction niche. Comes with extensive feature. For users' comfortability. It is built-in demos to ease your site development. Let's explore the features. You will cherish different header styles. Roof is fully responsive to any smart device. Supports many color options. Get 2 portfolios and 4 types of column options. Advanced customization. Generate shortcodes in different sections. Supports contact form 7, WooCommerce, WPML translation. SEO, fonts, maps and many more. Let's deep dive into demo. Completely yellow combination with structural engineering theme. Highlight most important aspects in different sections. The theme is okay but needs to upgrade its design. Hope they redesign the theme based on the latest trends. Now let's check number 3. Home Roofer, Roofing Services Company WordPress Theme. Based on industrial and residential roofing service. Packaged with some tenure features. Pre-made demos for customization. Easy to import and install. Customize different blog sections. Compatible with powerful plugins. Display blogs distinctly. Adaptive image support. Store support. Social media integration. Offers pre-made header styles and footer styles with Builder. Mobile responsive, with many color options. Shortcode options, fonts support, translation support and many more. Let's find out more in the demo. Categorized service sections. Separate project sections. Testimonials. Highlights important factors. The theme looks professional but can be polished with more decorations. Now let's navigate to number 4. Roof Plan, Roofing Services WordPress theme with RTL support. Based on Elementor Builder. Offers interactive layouts. Gorgeous homepages. Enhance the page's shape to build with drag and drop. Compatible with precious plugins. Fully SEO optimized. Page loads faster. Colorful customization. Let's check the theme demo. Theme looks clean. Highlights your business features. Intensive testimonial sections. Compact team sections. FAQ sections. Blog and news section. Call to action inquiry form. And many more. The theme is easy to customizing and user-friendly. Now let's check the last theme, number 5. Shelter, Roofing Services WordPress Theme with RTL. This theme is based on renovation and industrial roofing services. Comes with demo layouts with responsiveness. SEO optimized. Let's find out more in the demo. A call to action ready form for services inquiry. Sections for service features. Show project criteria in individual section. Outline team section to show service strength. Immersive testimonials. Friendly blog section. Map support. And many more in a bundle. Shelter is a complementary theme, but can be useful. That's for today. Hope you liked the review. Please subscribe and like our video. Thanks for watching.